Every day each of us look at printed matter, newspapers, magazines, brochures, business materials, and yet how this is produced remains behind the scenes. We want to take you inside custom printing, a sheet-fed printing plant, and give you a quick tour of how the printed piece is created. When your printing project is entered into custom printing system, a specification sheet is submitted with all the requirements of your project, including job description, size, paper stock, color, and binary requirements. This information is reviewed by you and entered into our computer system. Paper and ink are ordered, and your job ticket transfers to its first stop, the pre-press department or imaging. This is where your disc is surveyed for imagery, links, and fonts. Our pre-press staff has a collective 43 years experience, and their only goal is to make sure your project gets to press exactly as you intended. The pre-press department works with clients, helping them with questions and problem solving. Each file is checked and rechecked to confirm it is press ready. Custom printing is capable of accepting nearly any type file. Our software library consists of the most current and up-to-date programs for Mac and PC platforms. We're an authorized Adobe print server provider. That means when a new Adobe upgrade or software is released, our software library is immediately upgraded. Once your file has been thoroughly reviewed and approved, it is electronically forwarded to one of our multiple wide format proofers that are calibrated regularly to our presses. This attention to color management provides your business with the best proofs available, assuring the proof you review is what goes to press. Once you've received and approved your proof, we assign the project to one of our 7 presses. At this point, the job is transferred via TrueFlow, a specialized software program. Imaging assigns the resolution and appropriate plates required to produce the final image. The plates are punched and secured to a drum that spins at 600 to 900 RPMs. When the drum is revolving, the image is transferred into a plate via a 32 laser recorder. Once the initial plate has been engaged, a second plate can be preloaded into the recorder. When a plate is finished imaging, it's removed and loaded into a plate processor. The Kodak plate processor applies a solution that removes the emulsion and residues. Then it applies a preservative gum. The finished plates are now punched and positioned at the appropriate press. Custom Printing's press department consists of 7 sheet-fed presses, ranging in press sheet size from 12 by 18 inches to 28 by 40 inches. This is important because it gives you more options. By having this selection, a printing project can be positioned on the most effective press, conserving costs while providing you with optimum printing results. Custom Printing's latest acquisition is a new 40-inch Mitsubishi 4-color press with Aqueous coater. The 40-inch is ideal for printing color catalogs, brochures, posters, and collateral materials. It's capable of running a full-size press sheet at speeds up to 13,000 sheets per hour. This press is accompanied with an IPC2, a computer which provides the pressman with finite control over the printed image. The advantage of speed and computer accuracy translates into exceptional production times, as well as assuring affordable high-caliber printing. Positioned next to the 40-inch Mitsubishi is our new 5-color 28-inch Komori printing press with Aqueous coater. It is an excellent match for 4 and 5 color printing projects. It's also computer linked, assuring color accuracy and speed. This press is also ideal for presentation brochures, posters, catalogs, and collateral materials. One of the advantages of working with custom printing is that all the equipment necessary to perform the most demanding projects are all in-house. Because of this, when you have a rush or must-have project, we can meet your tight deadlines. Some of the highlights of our finishing department are the 40-inch folders, capable of performing half folds, letter folds, Z folds, double parallel folds, accordion folds, roll folds, as well as a gate fold. The 40-inch folder can hold a single sheet that has 16 pages in one pass. This guarantees there's no chance of losing pages. The finishing department's inventory also includes a collator stitcher, the equipment used to assemble booklets and catalogs ranging from 8 to 96 pages. The collator gathers pages in sequence and binds them with a stitch into a finished booklet. There's another impressive piece of equipment we'd like to tell you about, our cylinder press. It's used for projects requiring die cuts. Its most common use is for presentation folders. Once a press sheet has been printed, it's matched to an appropriate die that cuts and scores it at designated areas. The die cut sheet is then forwarded to our automated glue folder. In one pass, the presentation folder is folded and glued, resulting in the finished piece. And to our growing number of environmentally conscious customers, please note Custom Printing makes every effort to embrace a green approach during every phase of the printing process. This includes the use of soy inks and recycled papers. We gladly pick up used cartons and forward printing plates and paper waste to official recycling centers. Our first 31 years at Custom Printing have been very exciting and have passed quickly. Our continuing evolution and growth may be directly linked to our wonderful and truly faithful customers. We would like to extend a grateful thank you for your continuing friendship and business. And for those of you who have yet to work with us, we extend a warm welcome from the entire staff of Custom Printing.